Hey guys, how are you? It's my first trial of putting the tan door panel on the car for the first time. It took me a tedious while to get this guy out because of this strip. This was getting caught in between, and I mean, just look at it. I mean, I was trying to do it as best I can, but this material is very fragile, I guess, and so because of that it took me a while. But now the issue is this. See this piece that's sticking out, and it's this guy right here. I'm not sure what I can do, because with this door panel, that bracket is a no-no. So suggest me, what should I do? Because I don't see any screws here. I do see rivets, but no screws, to unscrew this guy and just take him out. So this is another challenge that unexpectedly I've incurred. So I need to know from you guys what to do about it, how to go about it. So yeah, I mean, everything's coming together. You can see how nice the door looks with the the tan panel versus that gray. It's nice and bright. And once I can figure that bracket piece out, then no problem. But yeah, I would need that this trim here, which got distorted when I took the other one, as I showed it to you guys. So tell me where I can get this, because this is an important piece. Without this, the panel cannot go, because that's the seal for the protection from the rainwater and splashes and everything from going inside the door, and what happens next. So I need that. So if you can tell me where I can get it, that would be great. And I'm sure Trans Ams and Camaros are the same for this part. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. And it's all coming together slowly but surely.